What's up, YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today is a gear video. Today we're going to be talking about our new Nomadik Box. So stay tuned through the intro. Alright guys, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I'm the Bearded Outdoorsman. Thank you for tuning in. If you are a return viewer or a subscriber, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Today we're going to be talking about our new Nomadik Box for June 2019. Alright, so if you're new, I've got a whole playlist. I signed up for 6 months. This is number 6 and have gone through each month as they have come in. This is going to be my final box. I have canceled my subscription. I do have a little bit more in store for kind of the things that I have received so far in upcoming videos, so make sure to stay tuned for that. If you're interested in seeing more, make sure to hit that subscribe button down here and come back as always. All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at what came in our Nomadik Box. I have not even opened it yet, so it is going to be new for me and you. So Nomadik, if you are new to what Nomadik is, you are new to my videos, Nomadik is a subscription service where you sign up for either 1, 6, or 12 months and you get a box. Once a month you get a box in the mail with random stuff. Nomadik says it's up to a $70 value, and as little as 3 items, could be more, but as few as 3 items. If you have any issue with any of the items in the box, you can reach out to Nomadik and they will make it right. I do know that firsthand. The prices vary, but it is basically around $30 a month, and the price varies as to which one of those you sign up for, whether it be 1, 6, or 12 months. So without further ado, let's see what's in this box. So as always, you've got their logo and Nomadik on one side, and we go where others won't on one side, and on the other, hashtag be Nomadik. All right, let's see what we got. Keep that handy. And as always, they have a little paper fold over. You can already see this is going to be a good box. Let's get the paperwork. We'll close it up. I'll try not to peek. All right, so relax to the max. Let's see. This one has 3 items. Inside you've got a description of all 3 items, a little cool picture, kind of a giveaway as to what one of the items may be, and some Nomadik tips. Into hammock camping, here's a few hacks to make sure you're as comfortable as possible. So we got 3 little tips in there. On the back side is a Nomadik challenge, so you can enter for a chance to win a $150 product bundle of gear by completing this challenge and doing it. It also comes with brand discounts. So if you sign up for Nomadik, you're going to get one of these in every single box. With that, you're going to get breakdown description of what comes in the box, some tips that go along with kind of what the theme is. On the back side, you will also get the challenge. You'll get to enter a challenge monthly, and you get brand discounts. These are 25% off, $10 off, and $5 off. So pretty cool little flyer that you get. So we'll keep this handy so we can read. What is our first thing? It's going to be a hammock. Always good to have a new hammock, right? Portable parachute hammock by Lawson Hammock. So let's see what this says. Exclusive parachute hammock plus suspension system by Lawson. We've been waiting a long time to deliver this bad boy to you. The parachute hammock by Lawson is compact, lightweight, and includes rope and carabiner, so you don't have to waste time buying those pricey extra accessories. It is stronger than your normal hammock and stretches out to 95 inches by 55 inches. It's easy to use, so you're able to lounge just about anywhere. So here's this. Let's get into it. So just off the bat, the bag is not ripstop. It's going to be parachute material and not ripstop. I like the ripstop hammocks because they're a little lighter weight, but I'm not opposed to these. I've had one before and feels pretty durable. These are a little heavier than a ripstop hammock, but it still serves the same purpose and it's still fairly lightweight. I'll see if this gives me any specs. It doesn't tell me a weight. I'll try to weigh this and put the weight in the description. Yep, no specs on how much it weighs, so I'll try to throw that in the description below. So, but it comes with your rope. Comes with rope and 2 carabiners. So, hammock, always good to have an extra hammock. All right, what is our next item here? Coconut energy bar. All right, this is from Rickaroons. Let's see. Energy bar by Rickaroons, compact, rich flavor, and loaded nutrients. This coconut-based energy bar is a #1 pick for the Nomadik Ambassador team. Not to worry, the energy bar is verified vegan, paleo certified, USDA organic, certified, gluten-free, and non-GMO. Perfect blend of taste and energy. It is a chocolate blondie coconut dark chocolate. I'm not a huge fan of coconut, so I'm probably going to give this one away. So I'm not going to try it. And lastly, what do we have in camp lighting sticks? Let's see what this says. Tired from the long day of travel or the journey on foot, setting up your campsite shouldn't be stressful. These lighting sticks provide easy access fire starting with integrated weatherproof technology that burns for 10 minutes per stick, which means more time for you to kick back and relax over that campfire. So, using the in-camp stove or campfire, starts quickly, waterproof, and windproof. There's 6 sticks in here. Let's see. Okay. So they're just, that's 1 stick. You can see the dividing line, they're all together, so you just break that off. It's a fire tender. So you get 12 of them. Alright, so as always, what I will do in the description of this video, I will try to compile prices of all 3 of these items to see what kind of value this box had, and drop links to these items if I can find them available for purchase individually. So again, this is my final Nomadik box. I was really hoping when I signed up for it that I'd get a hammock, and it came through. They came through on the last one, but this is my final one. Not gonna do it again. It's about, for 6 months, it's about $190. Do I think that I got $190 worth of equipment? I believe I did. It's not hard to get that. This box was roughly 30 bucks. Your hammock, you're not gonna pay less than $25, $30 for the hammock. So I believe I got my money back out of it. I do have some future videos coming out that you will definitely be interested in watching if you have enjoyed these 6 videos. If you've enjoyed these, make sure to subscribe and be watching for future content. Probably in about 3 to 4 weeks, plan on having a video concerning these Nomadik boxes. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and click that little bell so you get notified when I drop new content so you can watch it. But as always, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.